Okay, now we will discuss about the problems. So evaluate sin square 63 degree cos sin square 27 degree by cos square 17 degree cos square 73 degree. So that is equal to sin square 63 degree plus you have to convert it into cos. So what you write? Sin 90 minus 63 degree square, that is, so 27 is given. So 27 means that is 90 minus 63. Similarly, here also cos square 17 degree plus cos 73 degree means that is your cos 90 degree minus 17 degree. So that is 73 degree square. So we have used this formula. Now what you will do? Sin square 63 degree plus sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos square 63 degree by cos square 17 degree plus cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So sin square 17 degree, because here sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Then here cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. By using this relation, we have solved this. So now you can sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. So sin square 63 plus cos square is 1. Cos square 17 degree plus sin square 17 degree is 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. We have used sin square theta plus cos square theta. This identity we have used, that is equal to 1. So one problem. Second problem we will solve. This is one problem. So sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. So we have converted 27 into sin 90 minus 63, that is cos square 63. Then here cos 90 minus 17, that is converted to sin square 17 degree. Now your sin square 63 plus cos square 63 is equal to 1. Cos square 17 plus sin square 17 degree is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So next problem you will solve. Sin 25 degree into cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sin 65 degree. So now here also you will do sin 25 degree into cos 65. So cos 65 means cos 90 degree minus 25 degree we can write, plus cos 25 degree into sin 65. So you will write sin 90 degree minus 25 degree. So 65 means 90 minus 25. Here 65, that is converted to 90 minus 25. So sin 25 degree into cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, sin 25 degree plus cos 25 degree into sin 90 minus theta, cos 25 degree. So sin 90 minus theta we have used here sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta you have used, then cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta you have used here. So now sin 25 into sin 25, that is sin square 25, then cos 25 into cos 25, that is cos square 25 degree. So sin square 25 plus cos square 25, that is 1. We have used the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is 1. So sin 25 into cos 65 plus cos 25 into sin 65. 65 is complete. 65 is complementary angle of 25. So 90 minus 25. So it is also 65 is complementary of 25 degree. So 90 minus 25. So cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So sin square 25 plus cos square 25, that is 1. Using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Thank you.